another video.
Today we're going to Slime World / Sloomoo.
Sloomoo or Sloomoo, I don't know how it's pronounced. How is it pronounced?
Slime World.
Well, we just call it Slime World because it's literally like a
Made out of
museum
slime.
of everything of slime.
I'm getting slime dunked on.
Oh yeah, and Emma is gonna be the one to get slime dunked on her.
It's kind of like water.
Oh yeah, like it's kind of like waterfall of slime, right? So we are driving into New York City right now. That's where the museum is. Oh my god, I had a pimple here and I don't know what happened, but it like left a stain. Or what's it called? It left a mark on my face. And I'm so annoyed because I don't like it. Like there's nothing there anymore, but there's still a mark on my face from where the pimple was. So. And my camera broke. I have to go get it, see if I could get it repaired.
The lens won't open up.
Yeah, something's wrong with the lens. So we are vlogging on my phone and hoping that this will work out. Here's mine. Let's see Liani's.
Alright, I'll leave you guys too.
Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? I see your name, Liani. What's your slime name? Ooh. What's your slime name?
Sloomoo.
Your slime name?
Joso.
My
Cooperly. Combo. I'm definitely getting this butterfly. Oh, it's cinnamon scent. It feels so funny.
It got stuck on my shoe.
Oh, strawberry. Why is it heavy?
Is it? Oh my god, this is so cool. Emma's gonna slingshot it. Ready? Oh! More slime! Ooh! It smells like banana. It smells good. That's why they said don't eat it. Emma, you ready to get slimed on? This is where Emma's gonna get slimed on. Slime time. That looks like sand. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Emma, look at this one. It's like sand. This is like sandy. Just look down, okay, babe, so it doesn't go on your face, okay? Woo! You guys are ready? Alright, DJs! Time! Time! Woo! It felt like rain.
Yeah. It was
Yeah.
so hard.
Really? Was it fun though? Time to make our own slime. We gotta pick the base. Which one did you get?
Butter.
Butter? What did you get, Liani? You got butter?
Which one do you want?
You want that one?
Like butter, yeah, and can you add the plain color, okay?
I'll get thick and glossy. That way you guys can have something different.
You know.
Thank you. So we gotta smell the wall to see what is our favorite scent.
I like this scent.
You like that one? That's bubble gum.
You feel like the fizzy stuff. I'm gonna get golden peach.
Golden peach. Liani, what about you? You told me you want neon blue? Yeah. I think I'm gonna get pink. What color are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get neon blue.
So now we're mixing them up. Wow, Liani, you're mixing yours up.
Smell mine, mommy.
That smells really nice. What smell did you get? Lime, right? That smells really nice. Liani, does yours smell nice?
Mommy, smell it.
It smells nice. Babe, are you awake?
Mommy, open those. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Hello. Hi. So we just got out of the slime world. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Liani, did you have fun, babe? You want to show the vlog what you guys got, the slime you guys got?
Yeah, so we got this one. I got these. We got this.
Those are the ones we made.
Yeah, these are the ones we made. I made this one. And then I got this sprinkles.
Is that like a birthday cake slime, Liani?
Yeah, it's rainbow cake.
And then-
smells like dipping dots.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
And then
that's
Emma got like a sushi one. We are leaving the city now and we are going to go get something to eat because I'm starving. I'm starving. So what was you guys' favorite part of the slime place? How about you, Liani?
Or probably getting the slime done.
Oh yeah, Liani, did you like getting slime done? Like slime dunked, whatever?
So guys, now we just got back. And we're playing with our slime.
All this slime smells so good, guys, and we're
This
just
one's
playing with the
lemon.
slime. This is kind of like kinetic sand slime. That's what it feels like.
Step in sit. We get to step in slime.
I know, they saw you stepping in the slime. Was that fun?
Yeah. Leonie ruined her shirt.
Oh, yes. So much slime got on the shirt. Look, guys. Oh my god, it's like stuck. Look. Oh my god. So this shirt is going in the garbage.
For sure.
But I don't think I could get that out. I'm not even gonna try, to be honest.
Look at this slime. It's literally like butter. It smells like butter. It smells like butter. That's creamy.
Alright guys, so we are going to continue playing with our slime. So we're gonna close out the video here and just keep playing with our slimes, right girls? Thank you guys so much for watching. We
this video.
hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun today at slime, at Sloomoo. I still don't know how to pronounce it. But either way, it was so much fun. I highly recommend going there. They have a couple of locations, New York City. I know there's one in like Atlanta, I think Chicago or something like that. So don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to our channel. Don't take your shirt off in front of the camera, girl.
Valerie always watches our videos.
Thank you, Valerie, for supporting. We love you.
Yeah, she's my best cousin.
Oh, yes, she is. So, if you aren't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
And
Do this video a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.
bye.